learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, it's time for some talk about Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And let's teach people another proverb right here. 其实我们每个月呢，都希望呢，透过我们的客家风情呢，也可以教一些客语的谚语，客家谚语，
更有那个客家的学问一点。
对 ，right. The beauty of proverbs is because it's short, but it portrays a lot of meaning behind it. Okay, so what are we going to teach everyone today? 今天要教的是哪一句呢？
今天要教大家的是三年同一心，
三年同一心，
往乃變成金，
往乃變成金。OK， 三年我知道这是三人的意思了，所以就是要打麻将三个人，现在三缺一了，对不对？
对，少一个人，没有啦。其实这边三人形容就是多数，就是很多个人呐，比较多的人的意思。
OK， 好，三人怎么样呢？
同一心啊，同一心
OK，
一起合作，团结在一起。
Okay, so the first part of this proverb, 三人, that means three people, but in generally it means when you have a lot of people, 同一心。
同一心，
同一心 when their hearts are together， 也就是在一起做一件事情，应该是这个意思。
合作的意思。
合作，合作。Okay, that means when they cooperate, collaborate together。后面一定是说就很有力量了，对不对？
超感。后面这句就是黄泥变成金，
黄泥变成金，恶心的黄泥都变成叮 bling bling。
是的，就变成了奇美了。
Okay. So even mud can turn into gold when everyone collaborates together. So this whole proverb is here to encourage people to work together, collaborate together. 要同心协力，这样子才能做更好的事情。
对，就团结力量大的意思。
1+1
大于2，
对不对？或者是用三人的这个东西，三个诸葛亮。不对，
三个臭皮匠。
三个诸葛亮就很厉害喽。
是的，胜过一个诸葛亮。
对 ，Three heads are better than one. That's how we say it in English. All right, let's hear this explanation entirely in English.
Three people with one heart can turn dirt to gold. This proverb means you are stronger when you work with others. If everyone puts their hearts into it, any challenge can be overcome. This is similar to the phrases, three heads are better than one, and many hands make light work.
And let's hear how we say this proverb again with Leo.
三人同一心，往乃變成金。
And there you go. That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
按此say張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.